down from Canada.
Yeah. Wow.
They drove down from Canada. So, I'll show you some pictures.
Yeah, that was Richard Guido. Guido came from Canada. Rich Guido came from Canada. And a stick shift GTO.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a buddy of mine. Yeah.
The black one?
Yeah.
Oh, no shit. I got pictures of him.
Yeah.
You're the second person I met that says he's a buddy of yours.
Yeah. We always do race week and stuff together. And
I had other people from, I think, Nebraska or something that was friends with him. That's an awesome GTO, dude.
Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, he drives that thing everywhere. It's kind of the inspiration for me to drive in my car.
I'm surprised he didn't do better times than what he did. He didn't win that night.
No, he was struggling for a bit, wasn't he?
But yeah, he parked right by my front door over there. That's where he was parked at.
Awesome. Yeah, it's such a cool track. Like, I've seen videos in the past and was like, wow.
Here's the thing. We're the only drag strip in the United States of America that lets you be all the way down the drag strip.
Yep.
I mean, they back their trucks up, and you can see, like on here, they even stand. See those poles? How there's no paint on top of them? They stand on top of the poles.
Wow.
All the way down.
That is crazy. It gives us such a good atmosphere.
Oh, we actually allow. They have their teams that come in for the pit area.
Yep.
But we'll have. I mean, if you've seen our videos, you'll see 300 people in the pit.
Yep.
The pit's crowded as crazy.
Yeah, I bet.
So, and you can see every time I come to work, I'm like, oh, somebody wrecked.
That's wrecked. A new mark.
Somebody wrecked. This is the only part that we haven't finished yet, and it's still dark.
Yep.
We haven't got it done. And the reason they built this is because originally they only opened on Sundays at 3.
Yeah.
And it was so hot and there was no shade.
Yeah.
So they built these canopies for people to sit under so they're out of the sun.
Yeah, that's cool. That gives it the atmosphere as well, because I bet the crowd noise and everything echoes in there and gives it such a good atmosphere. So. And
on that, as soon as if they see somebody wreck, all the crowd just jumps up right on the fence line. They're like, and everybody's doing this.
Yeah.
So you'll see things here like keep off the track.
Yep.
And no pedestrians between these concrete walls.
Yep.
Back in the 60s, they didn't have the fence line there.
Oh, okay.
Or up here. And they would cross during the races, and 6 people got hit, and 3 of them died.
Wow.
There even used to be a tree up over here at the end of it.
Yeah, there even used to be a tree like right here.
Damn.
I'll show you. I'll show you pictures. I got old pictures of stuff.
Yeah, it's so cool. We don't get anything like this in the UK. We've got Santa Pod Raceway, and then we've got a couple of no prep tracks.
Oh, no shit?
Which are just old airport runways.
Well, we do no prep and prep.
Yeah.
It depends on whose event it is and what they want us to do.
Yep.
We used to not have barriers here on either side. And we had a racer that his living was building roll bar cages and race cars. That's what he did for a living. And he bought this brand new race car. And the guy next to him lost control and hit him, and they both went over in this direction, and he hit that fucking tree.
Yeah.
And split his car in half. And he ended up losing his life. I mean, I hate that stuff. But then when we inherited it, we put barriers all the way down.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So then there's no trees, and you can see where we had before we did the barriers. You can see the hay bales around the telephone post. Yeah. We did that for safety reasons because.
It's just a little bit.
When her mother passed away, we went ahead and said, let's do it right. Let's do barriers.
Yep.
You know, because we have people that the throttles get stuck.
Yeah. It happens.
We can't stop. You know. I had a female who drives a brown Mustang out here, and I was down here with the ambulance one night, and she come flying down here and hit the grass and turned sideways and just slid sideways all the way. She had a GoPro on her.
Yeah.
And so she showed back up. That was on Thursday. She showed back up Sunday. Her car already fixed, and was racing again. And she had her GoPro. And I said, are you okay from last weekend? She's like, yeah, I'm okay. And she was here to watch this video. And she didn't say a fucking word. She just shut her ignition off.
Yep.
Went into the grass and Gotta ride it out.
Yeah, that's it. You just hold on tight. You're a passenger at that stage.
Yep. Putting her brakes on, and I would've been like, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
You are in your mind, definitely, but sometimes you just be quiet and you just hang on.
We have hay bales all the way down to those trees.
Yeah, I
Where
bet.
people can't
Stop and hit them and plug them into the trees.
we've had 3 fires back there. Where you see where someone just hit that one and someone's hit this one.
Yeah.
We had down there, see the hay bale down
Yeah.
there?
Someone pushed that one all the way down
Yeah, we've
there.
had 3 fires back here when the catalytic converters catching the hay on fire. And when that hay catches on fire, that burns for 3 fucking days.
Yep.
I got to hire security to come down and watch it. We had to make more room for car parking, so I had to cut down 80 trees. I cut down 80. Well, that one's got to come down. That one,
Yeah, 'cause on the last event,
they're dead.
we had people on the way down.
Wow.
Yeah, we had people all the way down.
It's way down here as well, isn't it?
Remember the amount of people that was on that event?
I don't remember for sure. But we had so many people, we had closed the gates and wouldn't let anybody else coming in, and they were parking across the street.
Yeah, I remember Richard saying he was like packed.
Dude, we got like 7 trees with it. We used to have, I got them in the shop, we used to have screens that they posted up there for people's times.
Yeah.
But the whole history of this place is everybody gambling.
Like no time and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, they don't want no time.
Yeah.
They're pointing this car and they're pointing this car and they're going, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
And so we get time slips out here, but we got to cut them in half. We give you your time slip, and then we give him his time slip so no one knows what their times are. So, I got a time slip guy that sits down here,
Yep.
and he does the printouts for us. We used to not be so busy, but now we get so many people.
Yeah, definitely.
You gotta excuse me, it's been so wet. We're in a flood zone. I haven't been able to mow or brush hog, so
No, it's okay.
we haven't done that lately. I'll drive your turn and show you what the view is like on the actual races they're going, because it is kind of cool.
Yeah. That's one of the things I want to do when I'm back in this area next. And there's an event on.
Is that a buddy of yours?
It's a guy on part of the event, yeah.
Huh?
Like I say, plays part of our event. I don't know who it is off the top of my head.
Yeah, you guys
Yeah,
you had event people out here yesterday too.
Yeah, well, we were supposed to be out here yesterday.
Yeah, they were from Nebraska.
Yeah. Yeah, we were supposed to be out here yesterday, but I was putting a lot of piston in my car, so. How many people can say they made a pass at Yello Belly on the Rocky Mountain Race Week? There's not going to be many people that can say that. Insane. Huge shout out to these guys. They saw me pull up at the gate to take the photo and they were like, hey, do you want to make a pass? Yeah, sure. Amazing.